students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about your EVS lesson Animal Life. Yes, already in our previous class we are also learnt about in this lesson particularly some part like animals, birds, insects. Some animals lives on a land and some animals live in a water. Some animals live on land in water also, and some animals live on tree and birds, okay, insects, and some animals are different sizes like some animals big animals and some animals small animals. Okay, in our previous class we are also discussed about in this part. So today we are going to discuss about in the next part. Okay, so let us see one by one. Animals that live in the jungle are called wild animals. Okay, can you see this picture, dear children? Yes, see here. So first one is deer, next this is fox, and this is lion. Okay, so these are all wild animals. So they live in a forest. Animals that live in the jungle so are called wild animals. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡೀರು, fox and lion. Some other animals also live in a jungle like tiger, cheetah, wolf, rhinoceros, elephant. Okay, this type of animals live in a jungle, so they are called wild animals. So next, we keep some animals in our homes. They are called pet animals. Okay, some members keep in animals our homes, like for example dog, cat, rabbit. Okay, so these type animals we keep some animals in our homes. They are called pet animals. Pet means ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಕು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಪೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಾಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಗು, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, there is a classroom activity for your EVS book. So take and open your book, page number 79. Okay, so let us see one by one. Recognize the animals from the sounds they make. Okay, so you recognize the animal sounds. So first one, bo wo. So which animal sound is this? Yes, do you know about your children? Yes, so this is a dog animal sound. Okay, so next, meow. Okay, so this is which animal sound is this? Cat. Okay, so you will write about in these lines. So you will write about dog, and next you will write about cat. Third one, buzz. So which animal sound is this? Yes, flies. Okay, so you will write about flies. Fourth one, neigh. Okay, so this is horse animal sound. So you will write about horse. Next, croak. Okay, so this is frog animal sound. So I will write about frogs. Next, quack. Okay, so this is a ducks animal sound. So I will write about duck. Next, cow. Okay, so this is a crow animal. Crow bird sound. Okay, so I will write about crow. So last one is moo. So this is a cattle. Cattle means baby animal. Okay, so you will write about this cattle. Okay, bovo, so this is a dog animal sound. Meow, so this is cat animal sound. Buzz, this is flies animal sound. Neigh, this is horse sound. Croak, croak, frog sound. Quack, quack, duck sound. Kaka, crow sound. And next moo, this is a cattle sound. Already some animal sound, you know about some animal sound. Okay, next match the following. Okay, so first one, a monkey, so we will match this letter D because monkey lives on trees. Okay, next second one, octopus, so you match this letter E because octopus lives in water. Monkey lives on trees and octopus lives in water. Next, giraffe, so this is match this letter A because this is lives on land. Next, fourth one, owl. Yes, fourth one, owl, so you will match this letter C because owl has feathers and wings. Okay, so next fifth one, butterfly, so you will match this letter B because butterfly has a 6 legs, so this is an insect, so this has a 6 legs. Okay, so next, cross the odd one out. Okay, so given a group in a particular lines, so you will one word cross the one out. First one, octopus, shark, dolphin and bear, so you will cross out in this word bear. You have to take a pencil and you have to put a wrong mark on this word because octopus, shark and dolphin, so these animals are lives on water. Okay, bear is lives on a land, so you have to put a wrong mark on this word. Next, parrot, frog, crocodile and turtle. Okay, so you have to put a wrong mark on parrot because so this is a bird and he flies on a sky, but frog, crocodile and turtle, so these animals lives on a land and water also. Okay, so both sides. Third one is dog, rabbit, tiger and cat, so you cross out in this animal tiger because dog, rabbit and cat, so these are all pet animals, but tiger is a wild animal. Okay, fourth one, ant, pigeon, mosquito and butterfly. Okay, so yes, fourth one, ant, pigeon, mosquito, butterfly, so you will cross out in this word means bird, pigeon, because ant, mosquito and butterfly, so these are all insects, but pigeon is a bird, so that's why this is not add this group. Okay, next third one, name any two of the following. Okay, yes, first one, big animals, so I will write about only two animals name. What are the big animals? Okay, sorry, which are the big animals? First one you will write about bear and next giraffe. So the two animals is a big animals. Elephant. So these are also this is also big animal. So you will write about only two animal names. So bear and giraffe is a big animals. Next, small animals. So we will write about rabbit and cat. Okay, so these are all small animals. So we will write about in this line. Next, third one, pet animals. So we will write about dog and rabbit. Okay. Next, animals that live on land in a water. Okay. So frog and turtle. So both are live on land and in a water. So we will write about frog and turtle. So next, look at the pictures of these animals and unscramble the words given below. Okay, so let us see. First one is, can you hear this picture, dear children? So which animal is this? So this is a horse. So we will write about in these boxes. Okay, H-O-R-S-E, horse. So next one, which animal is this? So this is a lion. So I will write about L-I-O-N, lion. Next, this is monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. So this one is rhinoceros. Okay, R-H-I-N-O C-E-R-O-S, rhinoceros. Okay, so next, this is eagle, E-A-G-L-E. So this is bird. So next one, this animal is giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. So next, this animal is frog, F-R-O-G. So next one, last one is octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Okay, first one is horse, lion, monkey, rhinoceros, eagle, giraffe, frog and octopus. So we will write about in these particular boxes. Next, circle the wild animals in the pictures given below. So given a some animals. So we will circle only wild animals. So which are the wild animals in these boxes? Yes, first one. So elephant is a wild animal. Yes, so this is a wild animal. So you have to put a circle in this picture. So next one, fox is also wild animal. So we will also put in this image. Next, lion is also wild animal. Next, giraffe is also wild animal. Okay, so elephant, fox, lion and giraffe. So these are all wild animals. So you have to put a circle on these pictures. Okay, yes. So today we will discuss about in your EVS lesson animal life and also discussed about classroom activities. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about so already got over in your EVS lessons. Okay, so in the next class we will revision for your examination. Okay, thank you.